Welcome. In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your mobile data refuses to work on this phone. First of all, try toggling mobile data on your phone by swiping down the quick settings menu and then switching the mobile data off, and then switch it on in a while and check if it started working for you. And if it didn't, you can go to the settings, and in the settings select mobile network, select your SIM card, select access point names, right click, click the three dot icon in the top right corner of your screen, select reset point access. Okay, and right now you can turn it off and on again and check if mobile data started working for you. Now if it didn't, you can ensure if your SIM card is properly inserted. So check the SIM card slot, which is located on the bottom edge of your smartphone. Carefully remove the SIM card and make sure that you inserted it like this. I'm not sure if you can see it. Okay, now reinsert it again. And the next thing that you can do to repair your mobile data connections is to try to toggle the airplane mode on your phone. So open the quick settings again, and then turn on the airplane mode, then turn it off and see if your mobile data started working. And if it didn't, try restarting your phone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time. Then select restart and wait until your phone reboots. And once your phone is restarted, you can unlock it and check if your mobile data started working. But if it didn't, the last thing that you can do is open the settings, then go to the system and update settings, open them, then go to backup and reset phone, and try reset network and Bluetooth settings. Now after your network settings are reset, check if your mobile data started working. And in case it didn't, then I suggest that you contact your carrier and ensure verify your data plan on your phone. And I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.